everybody's good with Marshalls. Get flipped over. Okay.
So the new rules are, keep running till your truck's dead, unless the trailer comes off. If the trailer comes off, you're out. If you go upside down, a marshal will turn them over as long as the trailer is attached.
Right. Exactly. That's what the rules say.
I think if your trailer's not attached and you get flipped over, just leave the car there. And leave the trailer out there too. Yeah, we want to see destruction. So, are we ready to do this? All right. On this first go around, everybody kind of just ease into it. Go, go, go. Nice and easy. Oh, first suspect. But he can be flipped over. Watch out for the marshal. There's something hanging out there. I mean, oh. Yeah, you can flip this trailer. We'll allow that. If it comes off, he's done. Oh, a camper. That's going for a bad hand later. Oh. Looks like the fish is getting away. Oh, it's smooth. Oh, there goes the wheels. I think the taco might be a little top heavy. Everybody trying to chase. Oh, there goes the camper outside. Flip him over. Oh, they're trying to get the fish. Oh, there we go. There's a nice hit. Just keep driving. There you go. Keep driving around. We'll find out these guys. We got one on turn one. Looks like we got him. He's got one. Fish is done? Fish is dead. Oh, the fish died. Good action. You're trying to survive by dodge the fish, unless you just want to hit it.
Hey, Cameron!
Who's going to destroy the trailer? Oh, you're trying to put through there. Nice hit. You got one upside down under a truck.
Most complicated marshal ever.
Everybody's back on their wheels. Oh, that's a good hit. There we go. Keep hitting them. Go for it. Hit them. All right, let them break them up real quick. There's another good hit. What kind of taco shell is that? This thing's holding together. I think that's Dre with the camera shell in the Christmas light. Who? Okay. Oh, you did it that Dre. Now I remember, he had the wing to his. More downforce. You see that trailer sticking to the ground?
Bobby, quick, Bobby!
Who would have thought you wanted to put together a trailer on your truck and come out here and keep going till it's dead? Taco's broken off. Our taco trailer's done.
Be out.
You guys are dodging stuff now. I thought we were playing a back game. Oh, Gray's a third tomato. Don't stress yourself out. Oh, good hit. Oh, another one. Nice little pile up. Are we going to bring it in? Nope, he's going to avoid the carnage. Sort of.
Hanging on, Bailey.
Looks like Dre's trying to hit people now. That's good. Yeah, who's going to nail that taco in the center of the track?
Hell, I keep turning over on my own.
Oh boy!
There's something in that taco?
I think a camper, a little utility trailer taking some history, right? I feel like if you're going to go for someone, you probably need to go for that flatbed trailer out there that has nothing on it and try to break that off of you because, oh, that's the front wheel. He's still going. Keep it going.
Got a critical injury.
Our camper's always doing pretty well, so, you know, Dre and whoever doesn't have too much damage, you know, it's kind of rocking and rolling.
Look out, Marshall!
He's still rolling though, he's still got one axle. Oh, he's upside down, but he's got one axle left. There you go, Dre.
Come on, Dre!
Oh, that's off the nose, fast. Nice pile up. There we go. A little obstacle on the head.
What the hell was that?
That's one way to do the other one, because we keep turning upside down.
Oh! Careful!
Have another beer.
Nice hit there. It's now not a figure eight, it's just a crash session. I hear a gear or something on the floor. Dre lost the utility part. He's not aerodynamic anymore. Nice little pile up in the middle. The camper guy, he's just running to avoid all y'all. Is Dre out? Oh man.
Bobby, quit! Bobby!
He was talking so much smack during his modified run.
Get it? Oh!
We got one on 3 wheels, 2 others on all their wheels. Camper's solid. I don't know what he built that out of. Oh, off the trailer! Bust in the middle. Sacrifice. Get his truck put in the middle.
He's missing a tire, ain't he? Easy with it, easy.
Who would have thought we'd have one truck out there with 3 wheels still out there? Our camper's being driven by a Ford Raptor, Traxxas.
Hit him head on! Yeah! Quit running, Billy! Well, I was spinning around.
If you guys run out of battery, you both lose. We need to see some more carnage. Come on. There we go. Why don't you guys just stop at opposite corners and go head into each other at full speed? Yeah, that's a good idea. You both start in opposite corners, aim for the taco, and full speed into it.
The candy fell out!
two drivers. Let's change it real quick. Fox, stop. Just stop for a second. Go to turn 1 corner. 3-wheel truck. Go to turn 3.
Change the battery.
When I say go, it's full throttle to the taco. Move him over so he's more straight.
Do my truck. Tear it up.
All right, ready?
Drag it
Go!
down. Hit it.
Well, yeah, that wasn't going as fast. You missed the taco. We set you up.
I won't steer.
Hey. Y'all just come stand down here. Y'all come stand down here and start on the side of the straightaway and hit it. You got straight on spot right here. Oh! Shut up right there. Go, Chano, finish it.
Looks like our 3-wheel one's starting to struggle a little bit.
Chano, finish it.
I'm trying.
There we go. That's a good hit. Still running.
Come on, Chano, finish it.
Are you done?
I'm trying.
Well, that's one way to finish. We do have a winner, everybody. Fox pickup and a camper. Big round of applause for all of our drivers. For the money they threw away right now.
Mine was free.
That trailer over there. RC four-wheel drive trailer. Those are cheap.
Billy, that was great.
Your fish lasted a while.
I was hoping a little
I
longer.
think Lance is going to take over some announcing, probably get that off-road track started back.
Batteries are back. Wait a second. Can't go anywhere though. That's the last match.
I got battery left. Somebody else.